Nature, in its timeless wisdom, is delivering a profound message through every sunrise and sunset, through every raindrop and ray of sunshine. It calls upon us to awaken to our responsibility as stewards of this beautiful planet. Nature is asking us to recognize that our well-being is inextricably linked to the well-being of the earth. It urges us to embrace sustainability, to nurture the land that sustains us, and to be guardians of the intricate ecosystems that flourish all around us. Its message is clear: protect and preserve, for in doing so, you protect and preserve your own future.